Maximize your workspace, the ultimate 2-in-1 laptop and phone stand review. In this video, we will conduct a comprehensive review of the 2-in-1 height-enhanced mobile phone and laptop stand. We'll explore its features, including vertical cooling design and folding capabilities, perfect for office, school, and home use. We'll also demonstrate how it can enhance productivity for content creators and professionals alike, providing tips on setting up an ergonomic workspace. Top 5 reasons why every content creator needs a 2-in-1 laptop and phone stand. Join us as we delve into the top 5 benefits of using a 2-in-1 height-enhanced laptop and mobile phone stand. We'll discuss its vertical cooling features and portability, making it ideal for content creators on the go. This video will provide practical examples and testimonials from professionals who have transformed their workspace with this versatile tool. Office essentials. Setting up an ergonomic workspace with a 2-in-1 laptop and phone stand. In this professional guide, we will show you how to create an ergonomic office setup using a 2-in-1 height-enhanced laptop and phone stand. We'll highlight the importance of height adjustment and cooling features for productivity and comfort. Viewers will learn step-by-step how to optimize their work environment, whether at school, home, or in a professional setting. In the digital age, efficiency and versatility are paramount, especially for content creators and business owners. In this video, we present the top 5 reasons every content creator and business owner needs a 2-in-1 laptop and phone stand. Discover how this innovative tool can enhance your productivity, streamline your workspace, and improve your overall workflow.
Efficiency, workspace optimization. Are you a content creator or business owner looking to optimize your workspace? Look no further. In this video, we reveal the top 5 reasons every content creator and business owner needs a 2-in-1 laptop and phone stand. Join us as we discuss the practical benefits of this essential accessory, including improved ergonomics, enhanced multitasking capabilities, and greater organization. Whether you're working from home, in an office, or on the go, this stand is a game-changer. Watch now to elevate your productivity and take your projects to the next level. Productivity tips, content creation tools, ergonomic workspace, 2-in-1 stands. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we explore the top 5 reasons every content creator and business owner needs a 2-in-1 laptop and phone stand. This versatile accessory is designed to make your life easier and your work more efficient. From enhancing your posture to keeping your devices neatly organized, we delve into the must-have features that can revolutionize your daily routine. Perfect for anyone looking to boost productivity and maintain a professional setup, this video is a must-watch for all creators and entrepreneurs. Tune in and discover the difference it can make in workspace accessories, content creator essentials, business tools, ergonomic solutions. Click on the link to get now. https://temu.to/k/xl60xuic81